Ready, Vihan?
Yes.
Chalo.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go! You know how to join it?
Yes.
Which map it is?
World map.
Okay. You will tell the name of each country and place it, okay? Which country you will place first?
Russia.
Is it Russia?
Russia.
Yeah, correct. Is it the biggest or smallest one?
Biggest. And the tallest and biggest. And most people.
Tallest and biggest?
And most people.
No, population is not that much there.
Yeah.
Chalo.
I think second place में China है. And
Tell the names now, huh? Which place it is?
China and
No.
Mozia. Mozia and China.
Mozia?
Mozia.
It is Mongolia
Mongolia.
and China. Okay, very good.
Mongolia and China.
Then, which country is next to China?
Mongolia and China. What is Polaida.
Which country it is?
What is it, Mom?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Then what?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay.
Greenland.
Greenland. Okay.
And
What about India?
Canada. USA. Ohio. And Jerusalem.
America.
Huh?
United States of America.
Or USA.
Or USA. Correct.
हाँ ये दो बार USA.
Next.
Where's Mexico? Mexico. Then Brazil.
Brazil.
You're going to Brazil.
Any song you know about Brazil?
Nah.
You know that song. Brazil.
And एक joke है. You're going to Brazil.
Bapre. I don't know what joke is about. Fast, fast.
Sweden.
We are
and
running
Norway.
out of time. Fast.
Norway and Sweden.
Sweden, okay.
You're going to Brazil. India.
Where is India?
Idan. Where's Pakistan? हे दोघे झाले तर मायन एम्पायर होऊन जाईल मायन एम्पायर सगळे कंट्रीकडे एम्पायर्स असतात इंडियन
हे काय
पाकिस्तान
लावलं तू आता
काय हे का
ओके 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 इट इज ब्रोकन पीस
या यू राईट
विच कंट्री इट वॉज
पोलैंड
ओके पोलैंड नेक्स्ट फास्ट अफगानिस्तान
अफगानिस्तान
नो ऑस्ट्रेलिया इट इज
ऑस्ट्रेलिया लाइब्रेरी USA United States
No, it is not USA. No way.
what is it? What is this?
Ukraine.
Ukraine. Then where's USA? UK. Finland.
Finland.
Fish Australia.
Okay, leave it there. Faster. You are running.
Japan.
Okay. Next. Faster, faster.
What the hell is this?
Which country?
I don't know.
You must know the names. You are reading it. You can read.
TH.
Hmm?
TH.
Okay, next. Fast. त्याच्यावर नावं लिहिली आहेत वाच.
PG.
नेक्स्ट.
Where the hell is that? Egypt.
इजिप्तमध्ये काय असतं?
Boiling sun.
आणि इजिप्त इज फेमस फॉर इट्स पिरामिड्स.
Sundan. His Sundan आहे.
मी स्पेक्स नाही घातलेले. आय कांट रीड.
What is it?
Faster.
Okay.
Your time is running out.
KG. South Africa. MG. Got it. Oh, oops.
Show me. It is Afghanistan.
Afghanistan place.
It is next to Pakistan.
Pakistan.
All these are countries, huh?
I know it.
Which is your country?
India, and my favorite India, and my. What is India's brother?
Who is India's brother?
Who is India's brother?
You tell.
China.
Okay, but why they are fighting with us then?
2022 में आता थे वो. They're not anymore brothers anymore.
22 is over.
नहीं. 2020.
Today is the last day of 2022.
हाँ, तो 2023 आई.
Last day of 2022. From tomorrow onwards, it will be 2023.
Yeah, I know something very bad is gonna happen.
What?
Orbit change inside Earth. Orbit change inside.
Orbit change हुई?
Magnetic field in असं Earthला. It change inside. And उससे change हो, lot worse things will start.
Magnetic field change झाले तर काय होईल? Magnetic field काय असतं पहिले ते सांग.
असं तसं protect करतं Earthला.
Fast.
Germany. Joke. I live in Spain. I live in Spain. Without the, you live in Spain.
Next, faster. Fast.
Mall. GU. MZ.
Fast.
ZM. Umbrella. Where the didn't miss that thing. World War.
पोलैंड तो हो गया.
हाँ पर World War है.
अच्छा बर्बन. मुझे तो सिर्फ बिस्किट पता है.
3M.
जल्दी करो fast. Do you know how much time you took? Near about 10 minutes. Oh my god. You are very slow.
In Golia. Where's Chad? Where's the country's name, Chad? ये रहा, इस कंट्री का नाम चैड है. गीगा चैड. गीगा चैड माहिती का? सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मैन इन
सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट
मैन.
फास्ट. Good.
Now let's place Chad.
My God, 11 minutes, Vihan.
11.
आज तुला जास्त वेळ लागला असं नाही वाटत आहे का? काल फास्ट केलं होतं तू,
हाँ मम्मा.
पण काल आपण शूटिंग नव्हतं केलं. चल
हा.
पटकन.
Type on things. Type on. He काय?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. CM.
Fast.
I'm doing it.
You know exact place of each and every country, Vihan.
I know it.
How is that you know it? By hearted or what?
मैं almost 10 वेळ खेळला. 9 आहे.
त्याच्यामुळे तुला लर्न होऊन गेलं का?
हा.
व्हेरी
मी एक ते मॅप पण नाही यूज करतो त्याच्याने. आम्ही
हो ना,
cheating use करतो.
चीटिंग नाही केली तू. विदाउट लुकिंग हिअर अँड देअर यू डिड इट. व्हेरी गुड. एनिथिंग इज मिसिंग?
No.
सी, आज तुला लागले, फटकन लाव, टाइम संपलाय. आज तुला लागले 12 minutes
Okay.
and